ClickBank, or Amazon Associates? Which one is actually easier to start with? Because if you're a beginner, this choice can feel confusing. Both promise affiliate income. Both seem simple at first, but they work very differently. So in this video, we'll break it down in the simplest way possible. We're going to compare how each platform works, which one is easier for beginners, the pros and cons of each, and which one makes more sense depending on your goal. If you're trying to decide where to start, this will help you choose with clarity. Let's start with ClickBank. ClickBank focuses on digital products, things like courses, online programs, training systems. The main advantage? High commissions. Sometimes 50%, 60%, even 75% per sale. That means one sale can generate a significant commission. Now Amazon Associates. This is more about physical products. For example, electronics, home items, everyday products. The advantage here is trust. People already trust Amazon, so conversions are easier. But commissions? Much lower, usually between 1% and 10%. So, which one is simpler? Amazon is easier to understand. You promote a product, people buy, you earn. Very straightforward, but ClickBank is simpler to scale because with fewer sales, you can earn more. Traffic works differently too. With Amazon, you often need volume, lots of clicks to make good money. With ClickBank, you need targeting, the right audience, the right offer. So instead of quantity, it's more about strategy. If you're a complete beginner, Amazon can feel easier at first, but ClickBank has more income potential, especially if you learn how to choose good offers, create the right content, drive targeted traffic. Here's the simple answer. If you want simplicity, Amazon. If you want higher earning potential, ClickBank. And many people actually start with one, then move to the other later. So which one is better? It depends on your goal. But if you're interested in learning how ClickBank works in a more structured way, there's a full system that breaks it down step by step. You can check the official page in the description. And if this video helped you, subscribe, because the next videos will go deeper into strategies that actually work.